Okay, the other big news here is the Meta Quest Pro. This happened moments ago at the time of filming.
Yep.
There was a big presentation for this. It's it's in the name. It's Pro, so they're really targeting business with this Quest. By the looks of it, it's $1,500.
Yeah.
So it's not going to be for everyone, especially since they still sell a much more affordable.
It's like $399, $299.
Quest headset. Now, I don't know, because maybe I got into the presentation late. Well, no, you can see here they're doing a lot of work-related, design-related promo in the thing. They're not showing people playing games. I presume you can play games, obviously.
Yes.
But it's interesting they're targeting the way they're targeting it. Our most advanced headset yet, a whole new way to work, create, and collaborate. So they're not even really mentioning the gamer in this scenario.
Mm-hmm.
They think it's a totally different target market. World-class counterbalanced ergonomics meets sleek design to create a more comfortable headset. Full color mixed reality with resolution 4 times higher compared to Quest 2. Lets you work, create, and collaborate in the virtual world while staying present in the physical world. Real-time expression tracking allows your avatar to mimic your facial expressions. Smiles, eyebrow raises, winks, and all. Well, definitely need that. Need to see all those facial expressions in the metaverse.
Yeah.
Man, my brows, imagine my brows in the metaverse. It includes 3 cameras, Snapdragon 662 mobile processor per controller for 360-degree range of motion in virtual space, true touch haptic feedback, precision pinch, create, and more intuitive VR feel. You'll notice better visual clarity, slimmed down the optical stack by over 40% compared to Quest 2 using innovative patented pancake lens and optic technology, which works by folding light inside the optical module. Advanced VR LCD display technology that provides 37% greater pixels per inch and 1.3 times larger color gamut that provides more vibrant colors to deliver a more engaging VR experience.
Can I chime in here?
Absolutely.
I just think that they really need to figure out the manual focusing for for glasses. So you can take out the glasses and you can actually just focus, and then it would have your prescription in there. Just like the DJI Avata drone.
You had to...
Yeah.
That you've been goofing around with, the little FPV?
Yeah, where you don't even need glasses. You can just like tune your prescription.
Does that work for all types of prescriptions?
I think so.
Or only like simple type of ailments? I'm curious about that because, you know, people have a lot of different eye things going on. Some just need a magnification per eye. Others there's like lens correction for the shape of the eye and like
pupil distance.
Well, like in your case, how does yours?
It just tunes it so it's sharp.
No, I understand, but I'm saying your prescription is fixing what specifically? Or do you know?
It's just distance.
So seeing far.
Everything's blurry, yeah. Far.
So just magnification.
I guess so. Everything's just clear once I focus it, but it's manual. I couldn't do that in the Quest 2. I had to get like prescription lenses and slot them in.
What?
Yeah. And I hope that this version being $1,500, they'll be able to do that.
I would assume so. I mean, I don't know, but I would assume so. If they expect you to be in here working all the time, I assume they're going to have to figure something out for glasses.
Yeah.
At $1,500 USD.
They need to.
Some other hardware specs: 10 advanced VR MR sensors, spatial audio, 256 gigabytes of storage, 12 gigs of RAM, and a Snapdragon XR2 Plus processor, delivering 50% more power for better performance. Multitasking made easy, multiple resizable screens, and a companion charging dock, which looks pretty cool. You just drop it on top of it, rapid USB-C charging. It keeps your headset and controllers charged, so when creativity strikes, you'll be ready to bring ideas to life. Oh, wait a second. Was that regarding the lenses right there? Continuous IPD adjustment for better visual clarity and less eye strain, 55 to 75 millimeters.
Oh, I hope so.
I don't know what that's about, but it's something to do with making it more comfortable to look at.
Okay.
The entire presentation, they were talking about work and not just creativity, but also just like meeting in boardrooms and Microsoft Teams and work from home scenarios where you're in a virtual space with a group of people. So, I mean, this is a big step, I guess, for towards Meta's big vision, Mark's big vision, that we would be able to wear these things for longer periods of time, and that this would be the gateway to our future reality, or at least our metaverse, whatever that, however many hours we're expected to spend in it. So apparently it's extremely comfortable. I don't know what the battery life is. I'm not sure if they shared that. But what do you think, Will? Is this the future, or will we test one of these? Will they send us one of these? Probably.
Yeah, I shot an email.
Okay.
And I guess we can pre-order one as well. But yeah, I'm excited. I think this is really cool in terms of the hardware. Their software has been pretty solid.
Yeah, I mean, you're a big Meta guy. You're a big Zuckerberg guy.
I think 1500 is tough
because everyone's always so critical. But you're a fan of Quest, so then that kind of brought you in a little bit.
I like the experiences, but 1500 is a tough sell.
Yeah,
especially if everyone has to get it
in your workplace,
your workspace.
Yeah. Well, Meta would love to make those sales.
Oh, yeah.
You got to sell to a whole team. Look at the way it looks in here. See, they're collaborating. Look at this. Writing on the board. Yeah. Listen, everybody's at home anyway, right?
Sure.
I'm just saying, like, everybody seems to prefer that. And then companies are sitting there saying, but what about our culture? Where's the collaboration? It's a way of monitoring the person actually being there. It's not like a Zoom meeting where I can turn my camera off and be like, yeah, I'm there. Yeah, great meeting. Great meeting. Thanks for that. Like in this case, I presume people can tell if you're physically present or not. Virtually present.
Virtually, yeah.
If your physical body is virtually present.
Although you make a great point when you're talking to Mo about how working in virtual reality, there's still screens.
Yeah, it's bizarre. You're in virtual reality, but it's just screens in another space instead of the screens you already have in your current space.
Yeah.
But I guess there is more flexibility going world to world eventually.
Sure,
you can just click on different rooms, and each of those rooms has different screens. But Microsoft was showing off Flight Simulator, and it was just a screen of a Flight Simulator. It wasn't like a VR version of Flight Simulator.
Right.
In the case of this headset. So anyway, listen. This is difficult stuff going on over here. Like trying to execute this stuff is
for sure.
My God, there's so many things that have to be built, and everyone is so critical. So that's where we're at, though. I think not only critical but skeptical. I don't know that people have decided that this is the future they want yet. It's one thing for games where it's just like, okay, that's entertainment. But then when the pitch comes along for work, and people start to imagine the amount of hours you put into work, and if you want to have this substitute, if you want to be in this headset for that extended period of time.
Yeah, I mean, Microsoft tried it with HoloLens, and it's AR.
AR is a bit different. I mean, this is AR and VR, right? Both.
There's pass-through, so you can see
there's
the room
pass-through,
around you.
Right.
Then,
yeah. We'll see.
It's cool.
We'll see. He wants everything, though. You can just tell. You watch the presentation. Zuckerberg's like, no. You can tell the investment level with the cameras moving around and the teleprompters and such. Like he's fired up. This is his thing. This is his deal. This is his future, no doubt. So you go along for the ride or decide what you want to do.
Sure.